Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add overlay in CapCut PC. So guys, first thing that you will do here on the CapCut is just simply import your video. So in order for you to import, just simply go to the media over here on the top left and just simply go to the import and just simply select the video that you want to edit with. And now from here, as you can see, I have two videos over here. So from here, I'm just going to click on this add to track icon over here. And from here, we should be able to have our own track. So from here, guys, in order for you to add an overlay, you can just simply add the other video as well. And from here, you will have a two video. Now, in order for you to do an overlay, you can just simply click this video over here and put it at the top. And after that, it will automatically bring down. Now, if it doesn't do it automatically, you can just simply click on this icon over here. And now from here, you can do an overlay. So let's say I'm going to put this clip over here into the right side. So I'm just going to click on over here and put it on the right side over here. And as you can see, we should be able to do an overlay. So guys, you can do this on the text and you can do this using your face, or if you are doing a commentary, you can also do this. You can just simply put the two videos together and just simply select it, and you can rearrange it or resize it whatever you like. So pretty much it will be depending on you, and it will be the same thing on the first video. You can just simply select it, and from here you should be able to resize it as well. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, just simply comment down below, and thanks for watching.